Hello guys, my name is Teddy and welcome to this channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Kai and welcome to this channel.
Today we're going to be talking about numbers. Let's count from 1 to 10.
Hey guys, this is the Luo English version of counting and it's different, so we shall count according to the Luo language. Hey, do you know how to count in the Luo language?
Yes.
So we'll learn with the other kids today. Now to count, we'll count from 1 through to 10. 1 is achiel. Can you say achiel?
Achiel.
Let's say it together.
Achiel.
And how do you spell it? A-C-H-I-E-L. And let's say it again.
Achiel.
2 is said as arrio. Again, arrio. And how do you spell it? A-R-I-Y-O. Arrio. Let's say it again. Arrio. 3 is said adek. Let's say it together. Adek. And let's spell it. A-D-E-K. Adek. Wow, we're doing well. Let's move on to 4. 4 is said as angwen. Let's say it again. Angwen. And how do you spell it? A-N-G-W-E-N. Let's spell it again. A-N-G-W-E-N. Angwen. Then 5 is said a beach. Again, a beach. And how do you spell it? A-B-I-C-H. A beach. Beautiful. 6 is auchiel. Again,
Auchiel.
And how do you spell it? A-U-C-H-I-E-L. Auchiel. 7 is abirio. Let's say it again. Abirio. Again, abirio. And how do you spell it? A-B-I-R-I-Y-O. Abirio. 8 is aboro. Again, aboro. And how do you spell it? A-B-O-R-O. Aboro. 9 is ochiko. Again, ochiko. And how do you spell it? O-C-H-I-K-O. Ochiko. Whoa. And the last one is 10. And how do you say 10? Apar. Again, apar. And how do you spell it? A-P-A-R. Apar. Wow. So let's quickly count from 1 through to 10 in Luo. Achiel, arrio, adek, angwen, abich, auchiel, abirio, aboro, ochiko, apar. Wow, that is a beautiful lesson. Hey kids, thank you for watching this video. So next time we shall learn more. How do you say goodbye? Oriti.